God has a message for you today, so please don't skip this video. You have to let go of the past to embrace the future. Don't let yesterday, disappointment spoil today, possibilities. If God can turn the night into day, then He can turn your burdens into blessings. Everything will work out. In the end, you don't need to know how, you just need to trust God and believe that it will. When fear knocks, let faith answer the door. God says faith isn't about asking God to stop the storm. Faith is about trusting God to help you through the storm. You can't give up now. If you give up now, you'll never know what you could have become. Put God first and you'll never be last. The key to unlocking your potential is to move forward in the faith, even when you can't see the whole staircase. Embrace the process, even the painful parts, because God is using them to prepare you for something greater. Type amen in the comments box and subscribe to this channel if you love